Alright, so after you have pasted the permanent link that you use every week to access the drive where you have everything, you're going to look for week 8 and you'll find, you're in week 7. The project is in week 7, so this is what you'll find when you first paste the link up there. Week 7, core subjects, day 1, end of year project. The best thing to do is to download the whole folder as it is, but to save time now I'm just going to download the presentation to show you how you can edit or add your answers to it. So this is it. I am going to download it. Exactly follow these steps. I'm sorry, I'm sick. Alright, I'm going to save it to my desktop so that I can access it fast. Alright, waiting for it to download at the moment. There you go. Alright, Hafsa, so you open it. So once you download it, it already opens in PowerPoint. There's nothing that you need to do. Bear with me. Alright, so here it is. You see where I clicked here? It says enable editing and I just clicked on it. Enable editing. Okay, so you need to click on that. If the same message appears, here you can just write whatever you want. So you can write your title, which is whatever, math and science, for example, end of year project. Okay, whatever. So here you can totally edit it just by clicking on it. Then here, for example, I showed you, as I showed you in the session, you can, this is the text box. So as you can see, it's already highlighted once I click on it. So you can just put the cursor where you want, press enter, and just write what you need to write. If you don't want to do this, you can also just here in this empty space, just insert, again as I showed you in the session, a text box. There you go. And write whatever you want inside the text box. So you move your cursor there and you just write. And you can change the font, you can change the color of the font from here. This changes the color, this changes the size of the font, and that's it. So you can do the same thing anywhere. Here's the text box itself. So you can go about here, press enter and write whatever you want, or here outside of the text box you can insert your own text box so that you can write and edit. Okay, that's it, Hafsa. I hope this explains to you everything. I actually waited for you in today's session because it's better explained when interactive so that you can tell me what you understand and what you don't. But unfortunately, you did not show up, so this video is specially made for you. Thank you.